clubs only. How are you today? Do you feel fine? That's very good. I also say it in the club and I say it in the channel because I love you so much. Thank you very much, guys. I see many people that join to the club to see this amazing joint project. Bugatti Chiron Sport by Alpha model, and it's going to be crazy like me, yes? Today I will do the unboxing part number 1, guys. After that I will pack everything and send to Asi. I already prepared the box. He's going to Hey Hobby, as you know him on Instagram. We will wrap the body with the carbon fiber and it's going to be crazy. After that it will send it to me and I will continue work with you with video. I also try to make a video with Asi and he sent me, and I will customize part number 2, part number 3. I will try to do my best for you guys because you are the people that want to see it and I'm here to help you to see it. I think it's going to be crazy. I'm really excited about it because it's the first time that we do a joint project together, and I think it's amazing. People, silver member, less than $2. Let's start. You pay, you want to see. Let's change the angle of the camera and you will see the unboxing to this amazing kit, guys. Thank you very much. Once again, I have to tell you, yes, guys. As you can see over there, the Porsche. Also, we will do the unboxing in a couple of days in the club. The gold member, the platinum member. You pay more, you see more, yes. So, I hope that you enjoyed today from the unboxing part number 1. It's going to be crazy. Let's open the box, see everything. I will keep the bag and everything because I need to pack it again and send it. But let's see the part and let's see what we do today. Okay? Project of the year. We start now. Okay, guys. I have to tell you that I'm really excited about this project. I will try to focus about my English and speak well and that you will understand. Bugatti Chiron Sport Alpha model kit, amazing. Let's open it together. We'll see what we have inside. I still not open it, yes, guys? So let's do it together with you. I think it's amazing car. Asi here with me is listen to me, and guys, just look, Bugatti Chiron Sport. But first let's put everything outside, all the covers in the case. I need to keep everything because I will pack it again, so I will put it outside. And let's focus on the body first. I will try to open it for you guys. I need to keep everything because I need to pack it again, but I have to make a unboxing with you guys, so keep seeing and enjoy. Pam. I will do it slow, it will take time because I want you to see everything. Racing kit, it's amazing thing, guys. Wow. Super. Look how much is clean, guys. Wow. I see you going to enjoy with this amazing body. It's moldline perfectly, it's look perfectly. Wow, look. Oh my god. Wow. Super nice kit. You need to wash it. Wow. What I have to say, guys. Amazing. Look the front of the body. Racing kit, guys. It's a little bit heavy. It's not like the plastic kit, but look the detail, guys. Look the detail. Everything look amazing, guys. Without any scratch, without any defects. Look the inside the air vent over there. I hope that you can see it. Wow, it's awesome. Wow, awesome, guys, awesome. This is the body. You know, the interior it's more or less the same by Alpha model. It's just molding in, and you can put it over there like that. It's fit perfectly without any issue. It's going inside, as you can see, and then you can put the cover of the car. Yes, the cover of the car going to be like that. Really good kit. I must say Alpha model is improved all the time from each kit and kit. As you can see, it's look fantastic. This is the diffuser, the rear diffuser. It's look amazing. I know that Asi will do it in carbon fiber because he loves to work with carbon fiber. But look how it's molding in. Perfect. Asi, you have a lot of template to make. That's why I chose you and you chose me, because we are do the best for the people that we love so much, guys. Okay, the body, let's move forward to the part, because we have a lot of parts over there, and we start bag by bag. Wow, look, the mirror. Look, the mirror, guys. Awesome. I need to put it over there like a pro. That's it. We don't need to touch nothing. Do you see it? It's coming inside over there. This is the mirror. I will put it in the wow. The spoiler, I don't know why they give us two. They have two spoilers. I don't know, you can fit them down. You can fit them down or higher. It depends on you and what you like. Disc brakes, 4 disc brakes, fantastic. What we have here, wow. This I know from the other kit of Alpha model. It's the holder for the wheels, the wheel stands. As you can see, 2 wider and 2 shorter. The caliper, I see it's breaking, the caliper breaking just from the mold line. This is the 2 and this is the 2. I think the rear caliper and the front caliper. Look how it's molding. Awesome. What we have here more? I see 2. I don't know what is it. This is the grill. Yes, this is the grill for the Bugatti. I think it's going over there. Yes, and I'm right. It's going over there. I think it will be awesome to see it in carbon fiber also, and then glue it. Wow, it will be awesome. The steering wheel and also the dash for the steering wheel is over there. As you can see, the dash for the steering wheel, and also they give us one more. I don't know why. We will check it. I don't know what is this. Also, maybe for the front, maybe on the back over there. Maybe, but I'm not sure. I will see it on the, like the figure said, the handles over there for the doors. What we have here, it's just braking part. This is also the caliper, the small caliper for the rear section. What is it? This is, I think, for the center console. You see the part? I don't know what is it, but we will check it. This is the exhaust, guys. Look, the exhaust, so much detailing. Also, this is the 2 handle for the panel door. I see over there the 2 handle for the panel door, and I think this is the some venting area, as you can see. Wow, this is the mirror inside. As you can see, the mirror. Wow, this is the first bag. I need to put it away. Let's see what we have over there. The dashboard and the central console. Wow. Parts. Yes, I'm sure this is the panel door, the 2 panel door that need to cut this area and then put it inside. This is the 2 panel door. They have 2, so I know the 2. Okay, this is the second one. Just need to cut this big part and put it inside to the panel door. It's going to be awesome. The famous dashboard of the Bugatti. Look, all the how it's mold line, guys, the air vent and everything. Wow, super awesome. Yes, I know. You see this part that we will talk about is going to sit over there like that. Yes, now I know it's over there. So you see it? Opa, super awesome. Yes, this is the engine part. They just put a for this area that you can put inside, and you can see the engine inside. They don't invest too much time in the engine, but this is the center console over there that will sit inside. We need just cut it and put it inside, as you can see. Awesome. Number 2. Oh, the seats. Let's see what we have in the seats. Oh, look the seat, guys. Definitely I will work with the seat. They give you only the cloth and then you can put it inside. This is amazing, guys. You can paint only this part and then put it inside in two-tone color, and it's fantastic. Also for the higher area of the seat of the seats, as you can see, and then you can put it inside. Look, oh, you can paint it easily with two-tone and it will be fantastic, guys. 1, 2 and 1, 2. Yes, I have all the part over there and it's fantastic. Just I will keep it each bag because I need to pack it, and you know why. The wheels of the Bugatti, I think they very unique and very looking good. You have a 2 wider and 2 little bit bigger, as you can see over there. 2 wider and 2 bigger. You can remove the rubber, and you can paint it in any color that you want. It's up to you. Do you see it? They have a different, bigger and smaller one, rear and front. Okay, this is in this bag. I will put it back over there. They give you 4 bolts for the lower chassis to put bolts and screw of the chassis. What we have here, it's a small part like the clear parts. I know that you have a lot of issue with Alpha model clear parts. We will try to do our best to show you how we handle with the clear parts, but look, they look okay. This is the front lighter, tail light and tail lights, and it's going to be fantastic. I will try to do my best to paint it with you guys. This is a part of the steering wheel, and I don't know what is these 2 small parts. I think this is the air condition. We will see. If somebody know what this part, I will be very happy to know, because I don't know, but I will see. And also we have the clear parts for the as you can see over there. It's very nice and very clear. Alpha model do amazing job with the clear parts. They do it every time and they improve all the time. I highly recommend to buy one kit of Alpha model, but the new one. Okay guys, try to find the new one and you will enjoy, because the first thing that they do, it's not too much detailed, and fitments are not very good, but in the new one they look amazing. Look, the metal sticker of the Bugatti. Wow, 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 wow. For the steering wheel, the logo, for the wheels, the mirror, metal sticker, guys. And I will show you how I handle with the metal sticker. Here they put 40, yes, it's 40, 42 and 60 to put inside and paint with airbrush. We will decide what to do and which number we choose. Also we have a leg rest over there, and what we have here, yes, still the mirror for the metal parts for the mirrors and things like that from the handles. Very nice. Oh, look, Bugatti Chiron with the logo. We will paint it and build, and for this also for the mirrors and license plate plate numbers, and for the disc brakes over there, and I will show you the disc brakes. They put a small one of metal sticker of the Bugatti. As you can see it over there, it's metal transfer decals. You need to put it in the water and then remove it like a decals. Disc brakes, wipers, disc brakes, Bugatti chiron. Wow. Buckles over there. I know that the reflection of the light, it's a little bit hard for you to see, but I will try to do my best that you can see it, guys. Yes, I close the light and you not see nothing. Oh, many mesh cut in all the places that you want, some part of the wipers, and some magnificent mesh that you can use, or use a different one. We will try to do it. This is for the seat belts. I don't know if I will use it, but you can try to use it. You can paint it in any color, and this is for the seat belts. Here we have a clear parts, guys. I know that many of you struggling all the time with the Alpha model kit. Why they put like that? But I promise you, if you will see it, you will see how much easy I will make it and how much easy you can make it. Okay, guys? So don't be worried about it. And of course, decals. Depend on you. Change. Take the blue. Take the red. And also you have a Bugatti over there with the dashboard light. Many color of Bugatti, chiron, Bugatti. In each kind of color you can play with it and choose what you want. I think it's nice that they bring us many style to choose, because if we want to paint it in blue or white or black, so it will be awesome. Wow. Now I need to pack everything and send to USA to my brother Asi. Asi will start with the body, with amazing body. I'm jealous. It's going to be an awesome work about this kit. Make a template for you guys. I hope that he will make a video, and I will customize the video, and you will enjoy, guys. This is all for today. I hope that you are enjoy. People, thank you very much that you are support this channel, support this club. I tell Asi at least 20 people come from my video that I say that I want you to see my video, but many more come. So thank you very much, people. It's amazing, and it's going to be awesome. Okay, so we will wait for a video of Asi, and he will let us know what he will do, and I will keep update you. By the way, if you want to see the fully project of the Porsche, you can just upgrade the club to the gold and the platinum, and you will see the fully build of the Porsche. But if you want to stay and see the Bugatti, this is a good chance to see it. Thank you very much, people. Asi love you and I love you, and we are happy that you are with us today. It's very important to us that people join to the club. So tell your friend, we are about to start. We already start. Part number 1. We finish it, but we start the project of the years. Thank you very much, Rosso Model Channel. Bye bye.